Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square ABC minus c over 2 in parentheses squared, ABC corresponds to the a in the formula, and c over 2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to ABC in parentheses squared minus 2 times ABC multiplied by c over 2 plus c over 2 in parentheses squared. This equals to a squared, b squared, c squared minus, I can reduce 2 and 2 and then multiply c and c. And when I do that, this equals to a bc squared plus c squared over 4. Next exercise, y over 8 minus xyz in parentheses squared. Y over 8 corresponds to the a in the formula, and xyz corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to y over 8 in parentheses squared minus 2 times y over 8 multiplied by xyz plus xyz in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, this equals to y squared over 64 minus, I have 2 over 8, or I can reduce this to 1/4 and then multiply y and y. This way I get xy squared z over 4 plus x squared y squared z squared. Next exercise, xyz over 2 minus 0.8z in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to xyz over 2 in parentheses squared minus 2 times xyz over 2 multiplied by 0.8z plus 0.8z in parentheses squared. This equals to x squared y squared z squared over 4. Then I can reduce 2 and 2 and multiply z and z. When I do that, this equals to 0.8 xyz squared plus 0.64 z squared. Next exercise, 0.6 c minus abc over 3 in parentheses squared. This equals to 0.6 c in parentheses squared minus 2 times 0.6 c multiplied by abc over 3 plus abc over 3 in parentheses squared. This equals to 0.36 c squared minus, I can reduce 0.6 and 3 and I get 0.2 multiplied by 2, which equals to 0.4, and then I have AB and C times C, or ABC squared plus A squared, B squared, C squared over 9. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.